Hey guys, what's happening? Antonio here again, Howl and Hammer. Quick tutorial today, all right? Pretty simple, something that I think a lot of you girls and guys out there want to learn. Troubleshooting switches and troubleshooting receptacles that are not working, okay? Couple quick tips. Sometimes when you switch it off and on, and it doesn't go on, okay? Two indications. Number one, check your light bulb. Okay, that's the first thing you want to do. Check the light bulb. Number two, the switches do go bad. They get a lot of on-offs on these babies, you know? Every day, on-off, 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 right? So this is a single pole switch. So the switches have two wires going to them. They have two blacks, actually. One is the switch leg coming right from the light. The other one is your direct power. So you want to make sure if you were, first of all, you want to shut down the power in the house. I always tell everybody, but it's a good idea to have one of those testers like I was mentioning, and you can tell which one is the power on your switch. So two black wires, one's a switch leg, one's a power wire. So if you're having problems, replace that switch, check the light bulb first. Okay, the other thing is receptacles. I get a lot of calls about receptacles not working, they keep plugging it in. And sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So old receptacles will go bad as well. The prong inside gets worn out and it doesn't make good contact. Sometimes they break off inside and your plug isn't making contact. And that's generally a sure sign that you have a bad receptacle. I would always keep a tester around the house, you guys. Go out and buy a $10 tester. You just stick it in there and it gives you an indication that you have power to your receptacle. So generally, 9 times out of 10, that receptacle will go bad. Okay, so get your toolbox, put a tester in there. All right, you should have one of those already. Be careful with the electric. Always shut down the power, like I've told you guys before. I don't need anybody electrocuted, okay? Only I'm allowed to do that. So quick tutorial, guys. Thanks again for joining my channel. Listen, have a great day. Subscribe, like me, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Have a great summer.